All right, so for this video, I'm going to talk about how to use your own domain for your portal or digital course creation. So as you see, if you successfully created your products, you can actually just share your um, online course without using a custom domain. But if you want to personalize your own link for the login page and also for your clients to access your um, digital course, you can actually set it up just so you can have that custom link using your own domain. So just go to settings and then under custom domains right here, what you have to do is log into your domain provider. So if you're using GoDaddy, Namecheap, or some other hosting sites, just log into that and then start creating the product. I mean, a record for your, digital course product that you're creating. So you have here the records that you need to do. So as you can see, it's telling you to create an A record using this, value. So I have an example here. I'm using GoDaddy. So just go to that domain and then manage domain. And right here, manage DNS. And for example, I'm gonna add an A record that I'm gonna copy this value. Okay, here. So we're gonna use and then the default, you can use half an hour and then add a record. And then after you add the A record, you can also add a C name using this. So add a C name, then copy this value. Oh. You can use like, C name like www, or if you want like membership or any like preface that you want to attach to your domain, you can use that as an example. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and use an A record for this first. And then the rest is just copying your domain in here, pasting that, and then clicking save. So it's, it's going to be added. So the reason why it's not showing that is because I haven't completed the steps, but that should, pretty much do it, right? And once you complete that step, click on save, and you'll be having your own current domain that you'll be using. And then the rest of the settings is, I just want to show you under site details. Once you set it up, this subdomain here will actually change to your own domain. So it's more custom to you. And you can also put your support email, your support phone number, and even the title of your site, just so it's more custom, and even generating a magic link. So this magic link is useful for your clients to actually just log into your membership without using a login credential. So it's like a shortcut or like a magic link, like what it says. It's just a one-click login for your client, so it's easier for them to access your site. All right, hope you learned something on the videos. on this new section. So we're going to add new videos soon. So yeah. If you have any questions, any clarification you need from the videos, let us know so we can get back to you ASAP. Take care.